Searching of files or folders. We should save our files in folders so that they can be easily found later when required. But sometimes we actually forget where we have stored our files or folders. In such case, rather than browsing for using the File Explorer, we can simply search them. Windows enables us to search for files or folders through the search box that is always available in the File Explorer window. You can use this search box in any of the following situations. We remember the file name completely or some part of it. We know the date of last modification in the file. We know the file extension. Let us learn how we can use the search feature in Windows. Searching of files using File Explorer. We can search the files or folders through File Explorer if we exactly know the name of the file or extension of the file. We need to follow the given steps to search files or folders through File Explorer. Step 1. Open the File Explorer window. Step 2. Type the file or folder name that you want to search in the search box at the top right corner. Step 3. Windows will show you files or folders as per the search term typed. Step 4. Double-click on the file or folder. The file or folder will be opened on the screen. Searching for a file using wildcard characters. Do you know we can still find a file in the computer even if we don't know its location or complete name? We can use wildcard characters for searching these kinds of files. Wildcard is a special character which is used to represent one or more characters. Generally, 2 wildcard characters are commonly used for searching files in a system. These are asterisk and question mark. Searching of files using asterisk. Asterisk is used to replace a string of characters in the search term. This implies that if we place an asterisk in our search term, then Windows will search for a file name with the given characters and any other text string. An asterisk represents one or more characters in the string. For example, if we type comp asterisk, then it searches for files or folders beginning with comp and displays like computer or company or compile, etc. Perform the following steps to use asterisk to search for a file in computer. Step 1. Open the File Explorer and type comp asterisk in the search box. Step 2. The File Explorer displays the files and folders that start with the word comp. Step 3. To narrow the search and to search for a specific type of file, type comp *docs. Then the File Explorer will display all the files that begins with the name comp and have extension as .docs. Searching of files using question mark. Question mark replaces a single character or symbol. It represents only one character, so it searches for only one character. For example, when you type C?M in the search box of the File Explorer, then it will display only files or folders whose names begin with 3 characters in which first and third characters are C and M. We can also use question mark as wildcard more than once as per the name of the file we are searching for.